Hi friends! Today I have made an digital number using coding. It's an artist. This is the artist you can see, and these are the codes. Uh, yeah. Then this is the speed, as you know. Now I'll show you how it made. Yeah, this is number two. You can make different numbers like this also. So I have made number two. I like number two, and I have given a pen color. What we say, a red color. So if you are doing arrangement. You saw, right? It is only giving peach color. Once it came here, it turned back and give red. If you want, you can give different colors and like that. So, and that's all for today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to see my latest updates. Thank you. Bye bye and see you in the next video.